Anthony Holtorf appeared in a virtual Barrie courtroom Wednesday afternoon to set dates for a long-term offender hearing. Nearly 2 years since Holtorf, now 38, was convicted of trying to abduct 12-year-old girls from a park in Angus in 2019. Long-term offender status is designed to protect the public from an offender deemed a high risk in the community following a prison sentence. Specific safeguards put in place include enhanced supervision up to 10 years with conditions on where an offender can live and who they can associate with. The court setting aside a week starting in late September. The defense, however, unable to provide further dates in the fall, as Justice Annette Casulo requested. Holtorf, who has been out of custody for the majority of the proceedings, was convicted in November of 2023 of 4 counts of criminal harassment and attempted abduction of the girls. The Clearview Township man was found guilty by Justice Casulo of trying to lure the underage girls into his car to play what he called the taste test game with him. He was arrested when the girls told their parents what had happened. The Crown wants Holtorf deemed a long-term offender after getting approval from the Ministry of the Attorney General, since the prosecution and defense received a psychological assessment report on Holtorf. The victims, whose identities are protected under a publication ban, testified in court. Holtorf offered one of them money and sweets, repeatedly trying to get one girl to leave her friends and join him in his car. He told one girl he had a child around her age and that they would get along. When police arrived, they discovered Holtorf had a backpack in his car containing a neck collar attached to a metal chain, a metal whip, pre-knotted ropes, 4 sets of Velcro restraints, and condoms. Police testified he had a remote control vibrator attached to his genitals. Holtorf was acquitted of similar charges in 2022 after the judge ruled there was not enough evidence to prove Holtorf was guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. As the Crown and defense work to secure a second week of hearing dates in the fall, the matter is scheduled to return to a virtual courtroom next week. Mike Arsledy, CTV News, Barrie.